LT4569 German car rotating ring lug nut removal toolkit. Kit comes with silicone heat-resistant boot and special lug nut removing socket. To remove rotating ring German car lug nuts, place heat-resistant silicone boot over lug nut. Connect MIG welder grounding clamp to removal socket and ground to wheel lug nut. Use MIG welder to tack weld lug nut in 4 front corners. Place lug nut removal socket over lug nut and remove lug nut. Manufactured by Lock Technology. List price $69.95. Available from your local Mobile Tool distributor or special order from your local auto parts store.